Okay, so what is up guys? So today we're going to be drawing Spider-Man. So let's get into it. So first we're going to be drawing Spider-Man's head. Just draw a line like that, diagonal. And then just slide around it. And then do a curve like this big. And just curve this in here, go to here, and then just do that. That's enough for that. So now let's get into this side. So do something like that, diagonally, and then just curve it here, just like that, and stop here. Do like a slightly curving line, but not. And then just end up like that, the diagonal line like that. And then for like more than half of the chin, like that right there, just do a little bit curving line like that. And that's the main shape. Let's get into the details. So we're gonna start off with this eye, like in the mask right here. First it's kind of like a half circle like that, then do something around it like that, shade in the part that is around it like this, and then let's get into a second eye. The second eye is kind of tricky. Just do a little curve like that, and then go over here, just kind of like that. And then what you have to do now is like kind of curve this in and then connect it. And then now inside, you kind of like almost kind of copy the thing. And now outside of it, you just shade it in like we did with the other eye. And then now, if your shading got out of the thing like me, you can just erase it. Okay. So apparently Spider-Man has like a circle here, which is like kind of like his nose, and then draw a line curve like there, and then do like that. We're gonna draw like Spider-Man's lines on his mask right now. And then do another one like this. And then this, we would do like this, but his eyes are in the way. So I just do that. And then here, just do this. And then you just do that. And then that. And then in the middle, you just draw a line like that. And then at the bottom now. So do this. That's our first one at the bottom. And the second one's gonna be like this kind of. And then this. And then this. Yeah, that's all of the basic of those triangle things. And now we'll do the curves inside of it. So here, you curve like that, and continue the same curve like that, and the same curve like that, and then the same curve like that. The eye blocks it, so you just go around it like that. But now it gets a little bit opposite kind of, because it's up like this, at the bottom it goes down like this. And then the biggest one at the top is the one we're going to do now. So just do kind of that. And like that. This is the biggest one at the top. So you have to do it like quite high. And just that, then that, then that, and then that. So now you have to get into these small ones. That, like another bump here, another bump here, another bump here. And then just like the same thing, go across the eye, another bump like that. It's diagonal. It's not diagonal, but it's back. It's upside down. Remember, when you get to the bottom, do it upside down. And then we do one more of this. This is the last one, and then we will be done. Ta-da! No, oh, we still have some things left. At these bottom things right here, it's kind of like the same thing we did up here. Like these are the little triangle things. You do those. This one's a little bit bigger than that one. Then do like that. Then the final one we kind of put in the middle. And then we don't do the curves in it yet. We actually do a curve on like that on it first. And now there's only one curve. There's only one curve. There's only like one part of a curve. Like one like that. One part of a curve. Yeah. And then now there's like just kind of like that. Then do another one like that. And a little tiny one like that. And there you go. That's how you draw Spider-Man.